got a hand-laced leather knife sheath here. I did machine stitch the tab on the back, the belt loop, but you could easily hand stitch that and then kind of whip lace around the edge there. Make a pretty neat knife sheath. This one I did some carving on it while it was out flat. And then I used a number 4 hole punch to punch holes and just kind of whip lace that. I did bevel my lace. I'll kind of show you how I did that. This is a right-handed sheath for a pocket knife, like a 4-inch trapper or a 4-inch Stockman style pocket knife. I glued the seam there. What I'll end up with is something very similar to this. I've stripped off some leather here. It's a little over 1/4 inch in width, and it does need beveling. And I'll pick out a knife here that I don't think that one's sharp enough. Put a bevel on this string. I like this lace a little better right here. It's a little more consistent throughout, so I think I'll use this one. This is a lace leather. It's oil tanned. Kind of has the yellow center in it. Makes a good lace. I'll put a point on each end. This piece of string is plenty long. Gives you a little something to... Now I'll put a little stretch on this. Kind of rub that and stretch it. This is a hand punch, single tube, number 4 CS Osborne punch. I'm going to do the left hand sheath first. I'm punching 1/8 of an inch away from the edge here and moving over a slight amount, at least 3/16 of an inch. If you would like, and you can easily use your dividers and scribe a light line and space your holes. Okay, I've got my holes punched, and now I'll lace my sheath. On this one over here, I started at the bottom and laced my way to the top, and then brought it around under one lace and then snipped it off right there. On the bottom side, I ran it under 2 laces. Give it a pretty good tug so it will lay down properly. It's a pretty quick and easy way, and it looks pretty cool too, to lace your leather knife sheath. As you can see, that's fairly quick and easy. Easy way to lace up your knife sheath. Thanks for taking your time to watch this quick lacing tutorial. Be sure and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.